क्या करते जानो?
Project.
क्या प्रोजेक्ट?
Project for my daughter.
ఏం ప్రాజెక్ట్ అది? రైనీ సీజన్.
This is rainy season.
ఓకే. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? వైట్.
These are clouds, okay?
ఓకే.
Rain is falling from clouds.
ఓకే.
And
వాటర్ డ్రాప్స్. రైన్ డ్రాప్స్.
these are raindrops.
వామ్మో.
And this side is forest
ఓకే.
where elephant is eating the plants.
ఓకే.
Okay. And this is the river.
ఓకే.
And a boatman is going on the river.
అబ్బో.
Okay.
ఓకే.
And at the other side of the lake
ఓకే.
is the
యువర్ హౌస్?
This is my house and garden. Okay.
ఓహో.
We have umbrella also,
అబ్బో.
raincoat also, but no humans there.
ఓకే.
That's it.
వెరీ గుడ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్.
Nowadays, project is not for children, for the parents. Okay. So,
Okay.
see, I'm doing this from 2 days. At last, I did this. What is this?
వెరీ గుడ్.
Fine.
నైస్. ఎస్.
See,
సమ్ ఎంటీనెస్.
what empty? Hey, it's fine, yeah. I cannot do than this. Khatam. Bye bye. Goodbye.